What's up everyone, it's Small Apartment here, and today we're diving deep into a topic that can make or break your success as a landlord. Lease renewals. Now you might be thinking, lease renewals, that's easy, right? But trust me, there's more to it than just sending out a generic renewal form and hoping for the best. In this video, I'm going to share my proven strategies to help you keep your best tenants happy and renting from you for the long haul, all while maximizing your profits. We're talking about understanding tenant psychology, crafting irresistible offers, and mastering the art of the negotiation. So buckle up, because this is going to be a good one. Before you even think about sending out renewal offers, you need to understand what your tenants value most. Think of it like this. You wouldn't propose without knowing your partner's favorite ring style, right? The same goes for renewals. Conducting a simple tenant survey can be a game changer. Ask them about their priorities. Is it a rent discount, upgraded appliances, maybe even something as simple as a fresh coat of paint? Trust me, the insights you gain will be invaluable. Once you have this intel, you can tailor your offers to individual tenant needs. Some might be swayed by a slightly lower rent, while others might jump at the chance to finally have that in-unit washer and dryer they've been dreaming of. Remember, it's all about finding that sweet spot between offering valuable incentives and staying within your budget. You want to keep your tenants happy without breaking the bank. Let's talk timing, because when it comes to lease renewals, getting the timing right is crucial. You don't want to wait until the last minute and risk losing a great tenant to a competitor. Ideally, you should start reaching out to tenants about 90 days before their lease expires. This gives them ample time to consider their options, and it shows them that you're proactive and organized. Now, I get it, life happens, and sometimes tenants might need a little nudge. That's why it's crucial to have a system for following up. Send out friendly reminders and always be available to answer any questions they might have. Remember, communication is key throughout this entire process. The more you communicate with your tenants, the more valued they'll feel, and the more likely they are to renew. Chapter 3. The Lease Renewal Template that does the heavy lifting for you. Now let's talk about streamlining your process with a killer renewal offer template. This is going to save you so much time and hassle in the long run. Your template should include all the essential details like the new rental rate, any applicable rent increases, keep those reasonable people, and the lease duration. But here's the pro tip: build in some flexibility. Offer optional add-ons like upgrades or different lease terms. This allows you to cater to different tenant needs and preferences, increasing your chances of securing that renewal. And don't forget the human touch. Use a friendly and professional tone in your communication. Thank your tenants for being awesome and highlight the benefits of staying put. Chapter 4. The Art of the Deal Without the Hairspray. Negotiation Tactics for Landlords. Now, for the part you've all been waiting for, negotiation. Don't worry, this isn't about being pushy or aggressive. It's about understanding both your needs and your tenants' needs and finding a mutually beneficial solution. One effective tactic is to emphasize the financial benefits of renewing. Remind them about the costs associated with moving, such as hiring movers, paying deposits, and potentially facing higher rents elsewhere. Another powerful tool is expressing gratitude. A little appreciation goes a long way. Thank your tenants for their tenancy, offer a small loyalty discount, or even just write a personalized note. Finally, remember to track your outcomes. Analyze which incentives are most effective and identify any trends in tenant preferences. This data will help you refine your renewal strategy over time, leading to even higher retention rates. Outrow time to level up your renewal game. So there you have it, my proven strategies for mastering lease renewals like a pro. Remember, keeping your best tenants happy is all about understanding their needs, communicating effectively, and offering value. By implementing these tips, you'll not only increase your chances of securing renewals, but also build stronger relationships with your tenants and create a more profitable and enjoyable real estate investing journey. Now go out there and crush those lease renewals.